Federal government don't agree to pay Northerners for their losses during this food blockade. For now, when they are waiting, they happen. I remember this cow matter where we know they agree with all these Northerners. Because of that, they decide say because now them they supply food to the south. You understand all these onions, tomato, and plenty things. Because of that, they don't decide say okay, they know they supply anything again. They can't block everywhere. They think say we go die without them. So my people are started thought on now because they don't after they block the whole place, they don't lose. They know they say again nothing they happen. In fact, all the food just they stagnant. After they thought on now, federal government. Hey, don't according to Ran, you don't hey Chineke 4.75 billion naira. 4.75 billion naira now waiting there at stake here like this where government say they go pay them because they don't lose things, they don't lose. In fact, I beg you see, you know say me, I know they like they use my own words, they talk something. So I don't bring on the screen now. So join me, make we watch the video.
To give us time to discuss, we'll call all our members across the Federation. Before them, he's assuring to our members, inshallah, he follow this demand. Again, we thank for our brother Chief Kayode. He is to this our problem. It cannot happen again. So we're very happy for him. We're very thankful for him. And we want to beg him to address for all governors of South, South, and Southeast. Everybody considering what our problem to push us to the nationwide strike. And he listened to what their government and Governor, Excellency Governor of Kogi State, enter in between we and this problem. So I'm very thankful for everybody. We need to peace in this country. We need peace in this country. We need to maintain peace in this country. We're Nigerian. Thank you very much.
Now them block food. Now they still they receive compensation. Which kind of madness be this one now? I bet see, make una not allow me remove box out. Because if I they remove her like this, I know they be myself. I feel just they misbehave. Last Nigeria now don't become joke. We don't become joke as we they see. Because see, if you kidnap a person, government will compensate you. If you terrorize citizens, government will compensate you. If you refuse to sell food, your food can't spoil. Government will still compensate you. Danger. I smell danger everywhere. I beg, see, last, may they just flee this country. May everybody go your own way. Because, see, we don't do again. I don't tire. We don't do. I beg, who send a message? No, I they ask. I be if any of una way they watch me, una discuss with Northerners. I be una tell them, say, do this one, don't do this one. Who send a message? On your own, una decide say na this thing you go do. Una wake up, say okay, now we know they supply them again because of this one, because of that one. As you no can't agree to do business again on your own, now your food, you know they sell it. This one don't happen. As this thing happen like this, now their eye don't open. Their eye don't open. Nobody send on a message. Nigeria, hey. I don't get heart attack so my heart save no space for it to break again. You don't over break. See, disappointment upon disappointment. I don't tire. Una no go believe say these people upon all this way that they do. Una remember the last time? No, on our way they into all these food things. How much be a basket of tomato before? Now, from 8,000 naira from 8, they don't reduce that to 150. No be there end though. And onions from 35,000, they don't reduce that now to 7,000. And una go tell me say I send these people message. Upon all this reduction, they reduce, they remove, they reduce. Nobody dey buy. Upon all these things, they know they see customer wey go say, okay, I dey come buy this one. Make her laugh. Even food where they go from other countries, they go supply there, they lose money there too. No, see, I know say by now many of una go dey talk say, Madam Aproko, you talk this thing. I tell una, I no tell una. Make we see who go laugh last. Now wait, I tell una, I dey remember am very well. Make we watch who go first come outside say he don't tire. Now they don't tire. Now like this, they don't see say we no fit do without, we fit do without them. They don't see am with their koro eye. Now they don't realize say their stupidity after the stupidity things where they just do. Now about chief farmers, now they bring peace and unity matter. They want settle Northerners and South people. They want settle them. Now na start war. Now na still can they lose the war. I don't say now nobody go need tell una say South people they fit do without una. Now una even need those South people. I also nobody need tell una by una own conscience as una old rich. Una need know am by now. Say now una even need South people. Nonsense. Una go dey carry show that they misbehave anyhow. Una feel say people no fit do it. We don't fit do without them. They are our God. They supply us things. Una never see anything. My problem now with this government. Now me and them get serious problem. Now una know wetin be 4.75. Like I no just understand. These people go dey mention figures like say na water wey we dey carry from ground abi na stone. Why you go compensate these people? Why? Make una tell me why una suppose. I no just understand which work they do now. Which work these Northerners do now where they can't compensate them. The same people wey just do stupidity. These same people now they compensate them. Meaning say they go do am again. If they fit do this nonsense and una they come outside, say una they give them because of their losses. Let's just give them because of their losses. They go still repeat this same nonsense again. Not be the same thing where they happen with kidnappers everywhere. Fulani people, they go just they kill, they go they terrorize Southerners, they go they do this one. For how many years now we they suffer all these things? Who don't come compensate us? No, who don't come outside? All of una wey dey government. How many of una don't come outside and say, all these South people, una don't too suffer. So I beg, na 100 billion, all of una make una share. Una don't do it before. You know how many innocent people don't die for something where they don't even know anything about? They kill them. Nobody don't say, okay, these people will die, may we go see their family, they need help. Una compensate their families? Of course not. But now they compensate idiots. Idiots will just wake up and out of their stupidity, they just decide that they block. May una not just allow me verse with una. No just try am. Now they compensate them. Continue. No, just continue. They go, they compensate. I no blame una. After all, the money una know they work for am. Una know they work for this money. Why una not just go they spend them anyhow? Go other countries and see whether they spend money like this. My people, now the compensation matter be this one. Serious compensation matter. Like say these people labor one kind huge labor. I be they go war where they win war. I no just dey understand. So I beg anything where you guys talk concerning this case because me I don't vex already. Start the drop for that comment section. You understand? I go reply on one by one. And make sure say you share this video so that the whole Naija go know wetin dey shele now. Before we know and now we no go see any money again for our country already. Don't they broke already? You understand? And make sure say you subscribe. If not, you no go dey updated with all these things wey dey happen for our world. Stay tuned for our next story.